How to remake Comethazine song called 556. Let's go! In FL Studio we see 5 instrumental tracks and 3 drum tracks. Let's start with the melodies. Main chords are simple as hell. To remake this, use executive keys with wide ribbon preset. Next what I have is piano runs. The same sound, different notes. Third instrumental track is xylophone. This preset is called Xylophone S1 and you can find it in SR Orchestra. Later in the track, brass comes in. The same plugin, SR Orchestra, but different preset, which is brass staccato. Finishing our melodies with the flute. Drums, 808. You probably already noticed that this is 808, but the secret sauce in tweaking the out knob to 55% and boosting your 808 again to 5%. For example, you could listen how it sounds without the boost and with the boost.
Hi-hats.
Here's the pattern. Also, we added 5 hi-hats to our intro, so it hits much harder. Interesting snare pattern. Firstly, we have Z snare, which sounds like this. And how to spice up our beat is to add another clap, metro booming clap. That's pretty much it about the beat, but there's lots of change-ups in this beat, since there's 5 instrumental tracks. So you could explore them and deep download the FLP. It's free, just leave me a like, I would be very grateful. Thank you, bye.
Fuck that shit.